Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful outfit that's perfect for your little one this Halloween. The CMC&M WODRO Newborn Infant Baby Girl Halloween Hocus Pocus Romper Jumpsuit. This outfit is not just cute, it's the best baby Hocus Pocus outfit you can find. Now, let's explore what makes this romper so special. Made from a high-quality cotton blend, it offers a soft, breathable, and comfortable feel against your baby's delicate skin. Parents can appreciate the thoughtfulness of using materials that are both cozy and skin-friendly, ensuring that your baby stays comfortable whether they're out trick-or-treating or lounging at home. The design of this romper is truly enchanting. It features a playful print with the phrase, "It's just a bunch of hocus pocus," which adds a whimsical touch that's perfect for Halloween festivities. The expandable neckline and overlapping shoulders make it easy to put on and take off, which is a big plus for busy parents. The long striped sleeves add a classic Halloween vibe, making it ideal for family photos or festive gatherings. Another fantastic feature is the snaps at the bottom, which allow for quick and easy diaper changes. This practicality is essential for parents on the go. And let's not forget the adorable matching headband. It completes the outfit beautifully, ensuring your little one looks perfectly coordinated for any Halloween event. This romper isn't just for Halloween, it's versatile enough for various occasions. Whether it's a family gathering, a Halloween-themed party, or just a cozy day at home, this outfit fits the bill. Plus, it makes for a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Easter, or any special celebration. In terms of sizing, this outfit is available for newborns up to 18 months, accommodating a range of ages so that you can find the perfect fit for your baby. Whether it's their first Halloween or they're just starting to explore the holiday, this romper is sure to make memories. In summary, the CMC&M WODRO Hocus Pocus romper stands out as the best choice for a baby's Halloween outfit. With its soft fabric, charming design, and practical features, it's sure to be a hit among both parents and little ones. If you want to dress your baby in something special this Halloween, this outfit is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us at Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy Halloween!